This is a hack for changing spark plugs on like a Chevy 4.3 V6. This is a 2003 Silverado. The spark plugs are kind of hard to hang on to, so I took this off of an ink pen, common ink pen. What I'll do is jam the spark plug onto this end of the pen. This one has rubber on it. There, now I can hang on to it to thread the plug in easier. Just a little trick, works pretty good. Much easier than trying to reach in around the heat shield on the exhaust manifolds. It gives you something to hang on to. You sort of wiggle around and get it started like so. I used to use vacuum line. That works really good too, a short piece of vacuum line. This is something I came up with. I thought other people would like to know about it.